my name is Brandi Dobbs. I was in the Paralegal Studies Bachelor program here at the University of Toledo, and I graduated in 2016. Yep. So currently I'm a 1L at the University of Michigan Law School. So I started as a criminal justice student. Going in, I knew that I wanted to go to law school and be in the legal profession, and I thought that criminal justice would be a good place to start. And from there, I ended up going over to political science and then law and social thought before kind of settling in paralegal studies. So my experience in paralegal studies was by far the best.
Okay.
So I found that the paralegal studies program uniquely had very practical, hands-on application. It wasn't just theory, it wasn't Greek philosophers telling me how to think about the law. It was very, when you're in the legal profession, this is what you're going to encounter. This is how you handle it, and it transferred directly to even the classes I'm taking in law school or the work I did when I was a paralegal.
Right.
The courtroom was amazing. I was actually on the mock trial team, so I basically lived in the courtroom for a little bit, and it was very helpful just to sort of be in that environment, kind of understand how a courtroom is set up, get very comfortable being in there, because when you don't have that, the first time you walk into a courtroom, it's a little intimidating. So I feel like we kind of came into it with oh, I've seen this before. My program at Toledo was very unique and taught me things that you're not going to learn as an English major or as a political science major. Those things are very valuable. But the experience I had at Toledo was very specifically tailored to what I wanted to do, and so I could stand shoulder to shoulder with everybody who might have gone to Yale but didn't know what a tort was. I think that if you are planning on going into the legal profession, if you can join the mock trial team, join the mock trial team. It was the best thing I did in undergrad. It really taught me a lot about public speaking and that kind of thing. I don't come off as it right now, but I'm actually very introverted and kind of quiet. So, being on the mock trial team taught me how to talk to people and do that sort of thing. Really keep an open mind. I know I went into college with a very specific idea of what I wanted to do and how I was going to get there, and I absolutely did not follow that path. And I think there were instances where I had kind of closed myself off to opportunities I might have really enjoyed because I didn't think it would fit with, what my original plan was. So, and then the basics, get to know your professors, pay attention in class, that kind of thing, but definitely keep an open mind.